Hello, hope you are doing great. So I'm showing you how to fix server error issue. So sometime for Elementor, uh, we saw this error. Sometime it's happen all the pages. So server error 4035 error. So this error may be causes for PSP memory issues or uh, or any plugin confliction. So if you see there are all the plugin are updated, so it will fix. Or uh, if then not fixed, then you have to go to your server and then increase the memory limit. This memory limit is causes these issues. So I'm using just cloud os cloud server for my website, so that's why I have been using their setting and packages. So here you will see I just increases the memory limit and it will fix the error. So if this memory limit after increasing memory is not solved, then you can comment below and I will help you. And if you send me your screenshot what is the error is showing, so I will definitely response and I will try to fix that error. So thank you so much.